Got one, dude. Okay, I got him. He's little. That's cool. Little black crappie. They're still here then. Look at that dude. Let's see. This is our 7th outing, and we've caught a fish on every one of them.
More than one on every one, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, what was that fish, 25? Woo, there was one. Got one.
Got it?
Yeah. Get the net for this one. I don't know how big he is, but I don't want it. Nope. He. All right, that's an embarrassing video. I don't know how big he is. Get the net. Little bluegill. He'll work.
Got one.
Sweet. Can you get him in the boat?
Oh yeah, I can get him in the boat. He's in.
He's in? Oh, dude, a bass. Nice. Here. That's a big one.
Got him out there. He wasn't even in close.
He wasn't in clothes.
No, close.
Oh.
He bit the yellow.
He hadn't even got out of bed yet.
Got one.
Dang, man. Another little guy.
Got him.
Awesome.
Might be a good one, dude. Yeah.
Get him over there, dog.
No, man.
It's a bass. That's a good bass.
They used to take trips up to Eufaula constantly.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that why y'all went up there?
Yeah.
Eufaula? I wonder why y'all went to that one specifically.
Yeah, because they take huge family trips with like the extended family and everything up to Eufaula and stay for like a week.
That's a big lake. That one's a lot bigger than this one.
Yeah, that is a big one. Got one.
Sweet. Good one?
Mini bass.
Another mini bass. Got one. Dude, this one's a good one. Net it. If I can get him in. Dude, this sucker is good. I don't know yet. I'm not even close to the boat. No, I'm straight that way. This is a big fish.
I see your net. I see your line.
Okay, just don't break the line. Just let him wear himself out a little.
He's under the boat. He's going towards the front.
Dude, this is a fish.
Ooh, that's heavy.
That was a good one, wasn't it? Nice. That was a fight, man. That was a fight. He ain't real big, but he fought.
Yeah, you can see the belly on him.
2.3.
Bigger than that other one you caught.
Yeah, she's fat.
And it ain't near the size of the fish either.
Mm-mm. That was fun. That was fun.
2.3, so that's the biggest. Where was it?
Huh?
Where was it?
Right back there in that brush.
Got him.
Got one? Bass? You need a net. Bring him over here, I'll get him. Oh, God. Dang, man. Come loose.
Dude, he bent that. Dude, it was right off that wave.
Was it?
Yeah.
He was sitting right there on that boat ramp, wasn't he? That's why that guy was fishing there, I guess. Oh, no. Oh, God, that's a bass.
I don't know.
He's trying to get away.
He's going down.
I'll get him. Hold up. Just be, there you go. Now get him. 2.34. That's a big one. 2.34.
That's 2.3s. Starting to wonder if I should switch to a spinner. That's a good one, man.
That's a pretty bass. I was like, damn it. That's on video too. Damn it. Oh, it's a bass.